Today we're going to look at our new 48 gig MPO HDMI cable. Is this the best long distance HDMI on the market? Let's find out. This is our 48 gig HDMI MPO dongle extender kit featuring the ultra bendable Easy Fiber. This is a game changer for the Pro AV market. This professional solution supports the latest features, including eARC, which I know you're going to ask about. It's reliable, easy to install and manage with its modular design. It's more cost-effective than other long-distance solutions like Balance. So how does it work? MPO fiber is a pre-terminated, ultra-bendable fiber that allows you to daisy chain connections up to any length up to 1,000 feet or 300 meters. Just pull the HDMI plug through the wall and click on the HDMI dongle on each end. It does require USB power on both ends. The system is also compatible with Keystone connectors, so you can distribute long-distance HDMI through standard equipment, racks, or wall plates. For more information, contact us today.